Hello everyone, my name is Sophia B. Welcome to my channel, and today is very exciting video. I'm gonna show you how I cleanse my makeup brushes. So you're gonna see the process of how I'm washing them, which is called shampooing your brushes to keep them clean, disinfected, and so they can stay with you as long as it's possible. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I have so many exciting things in my other social media channels, so go check them out, and I will see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna share with you how I cleanse my makeup brushes. This is something that's been so requested from my Zoom makeup students, from people that constantly ask me, how do you keep your makeup brushes clean? How do you do that? What solution do you use? How do you keep them for 20 plus years? Because most of my brushes been with me for 20 years. Yes, 20 plus years. So makeup lessons, I do tutorials, I do so many things. So this is, I need to clean. And today I'm gonna show you step by step how to do the shampoo. But before we're gonna do the shampoo, I'm gonna show you how I clean my makeup brushes. If I was, for example, I need like 5 makeup brushes and I have a makeup Zoom lesson, what do I do? So for that, on the quick run and the quick dry and clean disinfect, I actually use, it's called Cinema Secrets makeup brush cleaner, and all the links are gonna be down below, so don't worry about it. So this is how it looks. As you can see, I've been using a lot of this products. It's really amazing. It's 99.9% make your brushes clean. So what I do, I just take a glass. I mean, usually it comes with some kind of like like a little container, but I just get, like, this is from the candle that I had, and now it's all just glass. It has B and I just put a little bit of this solution here, right? It's really, for me, if it's on the go, like it's not something I do all the time, especially it's my brushes now. I don't take any clients anymore, so I just put it here. And for example, let me just get a nice dirty brush. See, like super nice and dirty. So I just take a little bit here, and I take a very dry, like dark towel, and I just swirled around and just kind of like almost soak this like that. Voila. Do you see? Super clean white brush, like pretty much new. Smells amazing. Love the smell of it. Absolutely fantastic. Same thing. Just put a little bit here. Soak this here. And what I like about it, it has bristles. See, like, since it has bristles, it's gonna absorb the solution, the cleansing solution, and then I just kind of like squeeze it, and to make sure the shape is good. And you see, super clean and so soft. It doesn't really take that much time for the makeup brush to be clean. Like, it's so easy. My goodness. Well, let me get another one. Do you see, like, it has, like, I do use makeup brushes for lips, like, to make my lips more smudge or whatever. That's why it's one of the best makeup cleanser on the go. Like, it will take a lot of solutions to clean all of those brushes. See, that's why it's just, for me, it's mostly on the go. So obviously I don't need to worry about this, guys. They are ready, they're clean. So what you need to do, basically pretend that your brush is gonna be kind of like on the beach, but the head down way. Because when we wash them, it gets soaked in the water, and I'll show you. So you need to make sure that the water doesn't go where the glue, that keeps them together. So you need to make sure that the head is always down. I'll show you exactly. But before we're gonna do this, and I'm actually taking white towel so you can really see it well, I take those two sides together like that, right? And since I have a lot of brushes, so I'm getting a big one. So, and then I basically just kind of like doing like the head, beach towel head. Just like that. And that should be enough. I turn this around. See? Now you have the whole set. So now all the brushes gonna go this way. Some of the brushes I'm gonna leave them like this. And of course, you always want to have the matte. This one, like they have so many, you know, make like the mattes. This one is by Sigma. They sent me as a gift long time ago. But I will link other mattes, you know, same thing. Okay, so as you can see, I mean, it doesn't matter if you don't have a 2 sink, we'll just, you know, we can make it in 1 sink so you can really see, right? But, you know, since I have 2 sinks, I'll just put it here. So what I do, I put a little bit of water. Then I take this amazing Dr. Bronner's soap. What's really cool about it, it's a sustainable product. It has oils built in, so you don't have to do both. Like usually, before I discovered this product, I usually use the soap and then the shampoo. So because of this, I don't have to do it. Just one-stop product for me, and it's amazing. Like the best one, I feel it's tea tree. But this one is almond. It's amazing too. But honestly, every single one of them has the oil in it, so it's really, really good. So I'm gonna just put a good amount, right? And I'm just gonna nicely do it, right? And what I do, this is one of the Charlotte Tilbury brush from a long time ago, and I just nicely swirl it. Just really like swirl it nicely. Right. And then I go and just really just get into just like that. Okay. And then I just shampoo it like this. And do you see? I just go like that. Then I just gently push it and take the dark towel, just dark, and gently squeeze the water. See what I mean? Gently squeeze the water. It's, of course, like I have a lot of brushes, so that's why it takes, you know, it's a big process. And then I just, and I put the brush like this, see? So the water really nicely goes down, right? So this is my makeup brushes, and they are just like soldiers. See, like very beautiful. They are wet. Yeah. And you see they're like under 45-degree angle. So it has like almost like a beach towel, and they just like that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I have so many exciting things on my other social media channels. So go check them out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!